Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that people don't understand when a breakthrough is coming. Very, 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 very important skill as either an entrepreneur or, just in general life to get what you want. If you don't understand exactly when you're going to receive a breakthrough, or if you're not, intuitive in feeling when a breakthrough is actually coming, you're going to really struggle to get what you want in life. Very key. Okay? So let me give you an example. Okay, that's a great one. So for me, for my e-commerce, right? One way that I really understand exactly when a product is going to do well is when I have checks and balances inside of, checks and milestones that I look at. So for example, if a video is getting 1,000 views, then I'm looking for 1% of those people to actually go to my website. So 1,000 views, then I'm looking for 10 people to go to the website. Then out of those 10 people to go to the website, I'm looking for 10% of those people, that is one person, to add the product to cart. Okay? That it's as simple as that. That is how I know that when a breakthrough is going. So when I go and look at my either advertising account or my dashboard or my website dashboard or my analytics, I can see, okay, you're lining up. So that means that the video is working correctly. Now the website's only getting, if 100 people go, it's only getting, one person join. It's 1%. That means my website needs to be improved, and then I can go fix the website, and I can look if it's 10% now. And once it's 10%, then I'm looking at this other aspect. And I'm looking at these different areas, and once all those areas line up, it allows me to get success and allows me to be very profitable. It's the same thing with your business and the same thing with your life. If you don't understand what success looks like, then you're going to have a very hard time understanding when a breakthrough is coming. And what does that equal? That means that you're going to give up because you're going to be like, oh, I don't know if it was actually working. If you want step by step to know and understand when your business is about to pop off and is about to explode, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below, which is a link to my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day, take it easy, and talk to you soon.